Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your X account, which is formerly known as Twitter. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up your app, click on your profile icon on the top left, then go down to Settings and Support near the bottom. Once you're on here, you should see Settings and Privacy, and then click on Your Account at the top. Then you should see at the bottom Deactivate Account. So just tap on there, and this will just let you know you're about to start the process of deactivating your X account. Your display name, username and public profile will no longer be viewable on X.com, X for iOS or X for Android. And it also lets you know you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So all you need to do is select Deactivate at the bottom. Then you'll need to enter in your password and select Deactivate in the bottom right. And that's how you can deactivate and delete your X account. Thanks for watching.